The U.S. calendar in the week ahead will feature a long list of Fed speakers in the run-up to its two-day policy meeting beginning September 25th, as well as include a host of Treasury auctions and the release of the Fed's Beige Book. The week gets underway Monday with a speech on the economic outlook from Atlanta Fed Chief Raphael Bostic at the Albany Chamber of Commerce in Georgia. This comes ahead of the midweek release of the Atlanta Fed's business inflation expectations. Bostic's speech will be followed Tuesday by fresh data from the Labor Department, which will unveil its latest job openings and labor turnover survey. This is better known as JOLTS. Job openings were fairly steady on the last business day of June from the prior month, after setting a new series high in April. Out on Wednesday, the EIA will release a fresh report on petroleum inventories, as well as a reading on the Producer Price Index's final demand for August and the latest issue of the Fed's Beige Book. Also Wednesday, St. Louis Fed President James Bullard will speak to the CFA Society Chicago about the U.S. economy and monetary policy. Meanwhile, investors will get weekly jobless claims numbers Thursday, as well as an update on inflationary measures with an update on the Consumer Price Index for August. The Fed's Bostic also returns to the podium with a speech scheduled in Mississippi. The Treasury is set to provide an account of the federal government's budget, and the Fed will report on its balance sheet. The calendar remains busy ahead of the weekend, with Chicago Fed Chief Charles Evans slated to speak at the Northeast Indiana Regional Economic Forum, as well as includes fresh reports on retail sales and industrial production. The U.S. Treasury will also hold auctions on its securities throughout the week, including 3-year and 10-year notes on Tuesday and Wednesday, and the 30-year bond auction Thursday. On the corporate front, long list of events fill the calendar, including Goldman Sachs' annual Communacopia Conference, which runs from September 12th through the 14th. The 3-day event should hold interest for those investors eyeing the telecom media technology landscape, especially amid mega mergers such as AT&T's recent purchase of Time Warner. In fact, AT&T is slated to be among the conference's attendees, along with a heavy throng of companies, including Verizon, Sprint, Comcast, Disney, Viacom, News Corp, and Lionsgate Entertainment. As there's so much more lined up for the week ahead, select the event calendar option in the IBKR Trader Workstation for a full list of U.S. and global corporate events and earnings, dividend schedules, economic data, IPOs, and more. I'm Steven Levine for Interactive Brokers, asking you to enjoy your weekend.